Before we start, our lawyer asked us not to do this episode.
We don't have a lawyer.
After tonight, we might need one. Say the sentence, Mona.
Every affair has 3 authors. The one who cheated, the one who made the marriage a place worth escaping, and the one who held the door.
And there it is. Every betrayed person watching just threw their phone.
Let them throw it, and then let them pick it back up because precision matters tonight. The cheater owns the crime. 100% of it. Cheating is a decision, not a weather event. Nothing that happens inside a marriage buys anyone a ticket outside of it.
Then what do the other 2 authors own?
The conditions, not the crime. There's a difference, and the difference is the whole episode. Some marriages had 2 people starving in the same kitchen, and only one of them ordered out. The one who ordered out is guilty, but the kitchen was still empty.
I'm going to push back hard, because plenty of people cheat on warm, present, loving partners. The kitchen was full. They just wanted a second kitchen.
True, that's real. Some cheaters are just collectors. No conditions needed, no story, just appetite. For them, there's one author, and this episode isn't about them.
So who's the 3rd author? You said 3. Who held the door?
The affair partner. The one nobody ever interviews. Everyone screams at the cheater, everyone pities the betrayed, and the 3rd author just moves to another city and becomes a mystery.
Well, not tonight, because a woman wrote to us, and her first line was, "I was the other woman for 4 years, and I'm going to say the thing other women never say."
Read it, slowly.
He showed me photos of his wife, like evidence in a trial where I was the jury. Her coldness, her distance. I ruled in his favor for 4 years. Then he finally left her and moved in with me. And within 18 months, I watched myself turn into the woman from the photos. Cold, distant, tired.
Because
there was never anything wrong with her. He arrives, he charms, he starves you, and then he shows the photos of you to the next jury. I wasn't his great love. I was his alibi. I wasn't the reason. I was the exit he was too much of a coward to take alone.
every affair has 3 authors, but sometimes 2 of them are victims of the same writer.
So here's the question tonight, and it's not for the cheaters. It's for everyone else. If your marriage ended in an affair, or almost did, answer this without flinching. What was the kitchen like the year before it happened?
Not to excuse anyone. To make sure you never rebuild the same kitchen with a new person and call it a fresh start.
Because you can win the trial and still starve.
And an empty kitchen never stays empty, Ralph. Somebody always orders out. The only question in a starving marriage is who breaks first, and the one who breaks pays for everyone.
Feed each other. It's cheaper than lawyers.
We're brutally honest.
And nobody said honesty was comfortable.
See you next episode.
See you next episode.